Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw green from Rainbow Friends. Let's start with eyes first. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eyes. Draw two parallel lines for the head. Extend the line bit further at the bottom. Draw a horizontal line for the inner leg. Draw leg. Draw leg. Complete the head by drawing a horizontal line at the top. Draw mouth. Draw teeth. Draw tongue. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.